Alright, today I want to talk about the SteeleX high-speed steel brad point bit. What that means is you can see here there's a nice big point on the end of the bit. That means it helps self-center. I'm going to be drilling out an acrylic pen blank, which they're really kind of finicky. I'm going to put the lathe down at a fairly low speed. 1100 RPM will work. And with the Jacob's chuck here, I'm just going to run this in, and if it looks like it's getting full, I'll back it up. But it's a pretty simple explanation. You can hear how well it's cutting. It just sounds good. So it's a nice sharp bit, and there we go. We made it to the end.